Hi guys. So this will be the very first video that I will upload in all my social media accounts. This includes Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. So this video is all about self-introduction. So basically, I will introduce myself, my hobbies, and it's all about me. So first of all, my name is Mike Aison Gituban Yongyog. I was born and raised in Casibon, Nueva Vizcaya. I am 19 years old and I am currently studying at Nueva Vizcaya State University with a course Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I belong to the IP group or community Ifugao, so I'm basically a proud Ifugao. I can speak a little bit of Yayang, uh, but I can fully understand it. Can speak Ilocano, Ifugao basically, then Tagalog and English. So I'm using the language English as you may notice because I want to improve myself. I want to improve my communication skills and boost my self confidence because I'm basically a introverted person. So yeah, I decided to enter blogging because yeah, basically I want to improve myself in all aspects because in the tourism industry or hospitality industry you have to be a good communicator, and sadly I don't possess those abilities, so I'm putting up vlogging to improve myself, and I hope you could support me. That's all, and thank you.